A very good morning to all my students.
Students, today we start with second chapter Tux Paint. Okay, second chapter name is Tux Paint. You all like painting? How to draw any shape using painting? So today we start with chapter number 2, Tux Paint. Students, Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for students. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program. In computers, there are many drawing and painting programs. In computer, there are many drawing and painting programs. So, but we study Tux Paint. Tux Paint has creative tools. Tux Paint has creative tools. Tux Paint also has funny animations. Tux Paint also has funny animations. Also has magical effects. Students, Tux Paint has magical effects. Okay, that's why it is the best drawing software. Tux Paint is a best drawing software. Let us start with its unique features. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about Tux Paint. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot. Okay, in Tux Paint, there are a large variety of tools. Tux Paint has a large variety of tools that help the students to bring out their best creative designs. Students, you can design your creatives what you want to draw. Any drawing you can do in Tux Painting tools. We can add personalized stamps on our drawing once we finish it. When you finish your drawing on Tux Paint, you can add personalized stamps. Okay, you can write your name also. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. When you select any tool, students, sound effects, funny sound effects will come. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails. We can load and save images in it directly as thumbnails. There is no need to specify a file name. Okay, when you save anything in computer, you can give file name. But in TuxPaint, no need to specify a file name, students. So these are the features. What are the features? First is TuxPaint is a free software. TuxPaint is a free software. Second is TuxPaint has a drawing mascot. TuxPaint has a drawing mascot. Third is TuxPaint has many tools. TuxPaint has many tools. Fourth is you can add personalized stamps. Personalized means the stamps made by you. Okay, you can add stamps when you finish drawing. You also add sound effects when you select any tool. When you select any tool, students, funny sound effects are played. Next is you can save and load images directly as thumbnails. No need to specify a file name. Students, these are the steps how to open TuxPaint. How you can open TuxPaint? First, click on Start button. Click on Start button. Next, click on All Programs. Click on All Programs. Then select TuxPaint. Then select TuxPaint. Next, then you have to select TuxPaint window. TuxPaint window. Students, tell me what are the steps to open TuxPaint? First of all, click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. First click on Start button. Then choose All Programs. Then click on TuxPaint. And then click on TuxPaint Windows. Okay, students. This is the TuxPaint program. This is the TuxPaint program, students. How many tools there in TuxPaint? Toolbox has a total of 14 tools. TuxPaint has 14 tools. Okay, students. Tools means like you want to draw painting, you select paintbrush. Okay. If you want to draw shape, you take shapes. If you want to draw any line, you select lines. If you want to write your name, you select text. Okay, students, these are the tools. If you want to erase, you erase with erase icon. Okay, students, so these are the tools. How many tools? 14 tools. Students, this is the color palette. Okay, this is the color palette. From this color palette, you can select any color. Okay, students, you can select any color. Student, these are sub toolbox. These are sub toolbox. If you select brush, then there are different shape of brushes are there. Okay, students, I tell you, this is the color palette and we have 17 colors. You can choose any color. Okay, students. This is the Tux Paint. When you open Tux Paint from these tabs, you will see the welcome screen of Tux Paint. You will see the welcome screen of Tux Paint. This is the welcome screen of Tux Paint. You see penguin here. This is the welcome screen. Penguin is welcoming you. After the welcome screen, this is the opening screen. This is the opening screen. See what is penguin asked? The penguin is your friend. The penguin is your friend. It tells you the proper method of using the tool. It tells you what this tool is do. Okay, students. So, this is the Tux Paint. You know who is the designer of Tux Paint? Who developed Tux Paint? Bill Kendrick. Bill Kendrick developed Tux Paint. Okay, students. So, what is the function of Paint tool? Whenever we start Tux Paint, the Paint tool is selected by default. This is the Paint tool. You know, students, this is selected by default. See here. This Paint tool is selected by default. We not select this Paint tool. This is selected by default. It is used to paint. Paint tool is used for paint. So it is used to paint and draw anything you like. From this paint tool you can draw anything you like, students. It is similar to the brush tool. This is like a brush, no? In MS Paint, this tool is known as brush tool. But in Tux Paint, this is known as Paint tool. We can use it to draw freehand images or sketches. You can draw freehand drawing as well as select various brush shapes from its sub toolbox. Students, when we click on this Paint tool, then here different type of brushes will come. Okay, this is sub toolbox. This is toolbox. You can select any size of brush from here and you can do freehand drawing. Okay, students, using Paint tool. Let us start doing a scenery using the Paint tool. For example, you want to draw a scenery. Then bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. This is the drawing area. This is the drawing area. The shape of the pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush because you have selected Paint tool. So your mouse is like a paintbrush. Select the brown color from the color palette. Why you choose brown color? Because you want to draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. So you choose brown color to draw mountains. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun. Okay, you draw a small sun and choose yellow color to fill it behind the mountains. So you can also draw this kind of scenery or any drawing you want to draw using Paint tool. Okay, students, Paint tool is used in Tux Paint. So today we learned what is Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program, students. Wonderful drawing program. It has various tools, funny animations, magical effects. Okay, it is a free software. It has a drawing mascot. It has many type of tools. We can add stamps also. When we select any tool, funny sound effects are played. We can also save images directly into thumbnails. You know how to start? First of all, click on Start button, then All Programs, then Tux Paint, then Tux Paint Windows. Okay, students? Then this is the welcome screen of Tux Paint. Penguin is here. Penguin is asking what kind of penguin is your friend. He can help you. So this is the drawing area. How many tools? 14 tools. This is the color palette. How many color? 17 color. This is the sub tool box. Now this is the paint tool. Using paint tool you can draw any kind of drawing. These are the brushes. Okay students, have you enjoyed? Thank you class.